Hello, good noon, everybody.
Hello, ma'am.
Good noon, ma'am.
Wow, so good to see all of you. How are you, Aisha, Zainab, Juwaria?
Fine.
Where's the rest of them? Hello, Hafsa. You in Mumbai or you in hometown, Hafsa?
In Mumbai.
Great. Where's my Umar, Hamdan, Hamza, Saad, Sarah, Aisha, Aga? Where are all of you? I can't see anybody. Still holidaying? Hi, Sarah. Good to see you, dear. Hamza, where are you? So how were your holidays?
Nice.
Did you have fun?
Nice.
Lot.
Yes, ma'am.
What did you do?
I go to
Ma'am,
a safari in Bangalore.
Wow, awesome. It must be fun, right?
Father was thinking to go on a jeep there, but the jeep was out. There was only one jeep which was already used. So father said it's already time out. So just let's take the safari bus.
Oh, fantastic.
Ma'am, we went on a road trip from here
because
to Chennai. Then
I was really excited because my father gave me his DSLR camera to take photos.
Okay. Saihan, you went on a road trip?
no, ma'am, Hamdan.
Hamdan, wow, road trip. Which route did you
Yeah.
take?
First, we went by flight to Chennai. Then we attended a wedding from there, and then by car we went from Chennai to Bangalore. By car we were going to go by train from Chennai to Bangalore, but then the train closed, so we went by flight, not car. Sorry. Then from Bangalore, and then from Bangalore we took a car. We went to Bandipur by car.
Oh, Bandipur is beautiful,
Yeah.
right? It's a
Yeah.
forest out there.
Yeah, and then we did a safari. We saw bears in the wild, a big bear couple in the wild.
Wow. You have bear in your class also.
Bear.
Hamza, right?
And Hamdan.
And
Hamdan also? Oh,
I-
okay. Right.
No,
Then
Hamdan
Saad,
saw an
Aisha,
Indian
Aida,
god.
I need
Hamdan.
your video on.
Indian god, and then we saw sambar deer also in the wild. It was so fun. And then by car we went to Ooty. It was
Okay.
like 6 degree in the morning.
Wow.
Yeah,
Right.
and then after that we went to Mysore, and in Mysore all by car.
And
We went-
me,
from
I
Mysore
always wake up
we
at
went to car, and then
always
we
wake
had
up at
too much
9.
fun.
Ma'am, you know.
Mysore, we went to Mysore. We went so many places over there, and then we had fun. We had too much fun in Mysore. The most fun we had in Mysore
Wait, so
and
did
in
you
Bandipur.
visit the
Bandipur
palace?
and Mysore was the best.
Did
The
you visit
Mysore
the
Palace, it lit up so good, ma'am.
I
Bandipur
think there's
Palace.
65,000 bulbs, right? That lit
I
it
don't
up.
know about that, but I just saw it was so good when it lit up.
Yep. Good, good, good. It's like beautiful. I've been
We
years
only
back.
had a day in Mysore.
Okay.
We went to the aviary. The aviary in the zoo was the best part. They were like, we bought a ticket and then we used to go in the cage. There were like hundreds of parrots inside. They used to come sit on their head and different.
Wow.
Can I show photos? Can I show photos of the aviary?
Yeah,
I have
I'll allow
photos.
you to share
Well,
the screen. Yes.
No, not share screen. I have like photos in the paper, on the paper. 1 sec, I'll be back.
Yeah. Till then, Juwaria, yes, you raised. Oh my God, Umar, I'm already scared. Look, I promise you, I will not do polling session. Please don't kill me, Umar. Please don't kill me. I promise. Please don't kill me. Where did you get that sword from? Mahabaleshwar, Umar?
I went to Mahabaleshwar.
You went Mahabaleshwar, right?
Ma'am called for it.
Wow, good. Yes, Juwaria, what about you? I saw
Ma'am,
you
is that a
pictures in
real
snow.
sword or is it a paper sword?
Ma'am,
Yes.
you know, we went to Kalimpong. Over there, we did paragliding.
Yeah, and it snowed also. I saw your pictures in snow, right?
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
And Sad, how was Spider-Man? The movie?
Ma'am, even I have seen it.
Did you have fun?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, fantastic. Okay. Aisha, what about you, Zainab? Okay, I'll ask you questions. Right, I'll ask you some questions, okay? How many of y'all slept up till late in holidays? Oh, Zainab, everybody's hands up. Okay, what time, Zainab? What time you used to wake up?
11:30, 12.
7:30.
11:30.
11:30. Okay, anybody more than 11:30?
Ma'am, I slept till 10:30.
10:30, Aisha Kazi. Okay, Saihan and Aisha Aga. Okay, Saihan, what?
Ma'am,
what
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Ma'am,
Okay.
I can sleep for the whole day, but then my parents wake me up.
I know, but
from
parents
ma'am.
coming in the
One
picture,
day-
yaar.
Mom,
Ma'am,
on Monday, I slept till
but
1 o'clock in the afternoon. On
Oh,
Monday.
wow,
This-
Zainab.
I don't know what happened to me from this 2 days. I always woke up at 8 o'clock, but from these
School
2
started.
days, I woke up at 9, 10 o'clock.
Yeah, because school started. Yes, Umar, what about you? You were saying something?
Ma'am, I woke up at 9 o'clock, but I was on bed.
Okay. 9 o'clock. Okay. Saihan, what about you? What time?
11 or 12.
11 or 12. Oh my goodness. You know, these parents, why do they wake us up so early? Weren't they children sometime? And then they want to sleep for long, right? I don't care.
Yeah.
You know, they become parents, so they change their thinking now. Okay, so I think we got a winner out here for sleeping the most. Is we have Saihan and Aisha Aga, 12:30. Well
Ma'am,
done. Okay.
ma'am, that is
Okay.
nothing. I slept one day. Ma'am, I one day slept till 5 o'clock in the evening without waking up.
Oh, that was one day, right? But overall, it's a consistency that counts as well. Hamza, that's good, you know. But it's the consistency.
Ma'am,
Every day they
Ma'am, I
woke up
could
at
have
12
slept
o'clock.
for the whole day. Ma'am, I could have slept for the
Wow.
whole day, but I accidentally fell out of my bed.
You did accidentally fell out of your bed. Your mama was fed up of trying to wake you up, so she kicked you out of the bed, right?
Maybe, I
Okay.
don't know.
All right. All right. How many of y'all played the most? Entire day just playing, and playing. Wow. Wow. Okay, what did y'all play?
This time there is corona cases are more, so Abba said go only means I go 2 days in a week, so Abba said only 3 days.
No, but you can play at home
Ma'am,
also, right?
Yes,
Bilal gets so bored in the house, so like he makes such a fuss to go down. So like me and my brother takes him down like 3 to 4 times in a day.
Wow. Wow.
Yeah.
Yes.
You know, we would stay in a
Ma'am,
hotel.
when I went to feed
Mama, just a minute. I'll come to you, dear.
then
come to
I roam in the building with my friend.
Wow. That's good.
Ma'am, where in our cousin's house we went. So in the society down, there was a big sand park. So we used to spend most of our time there.
You went, yeah, I know. Amina was telling me you went to your dad's, I think, brother's house, right?
Yeah.
Wow, awesome. So y'all were playing the whole time. Yes, Hamdan, I'll come to you
Yeah.
just a minute, Hamdan. Okay, Juveria, what were you saying?
For a few days we would stay alone in the hotel, so we would like go out and we would like see everything. But then after the last 3 days we went to another hotel. There we had all of the cousins, and me, Safia and Zaina would have our own room. So all of the girls would come to our room, and then we'd have a night out party.
Wow.
And the full day we would do nothing except for
So
playing.
much fun. Okay. My one more question. How many of y'all just ate and ate and ate, just hogged during the holidays? I've got 2 hands raised because I attended a wedding. How many of y'all gained weight? Zainab, you didn't do that, Zainab. How many of y'all gained weight in the holidays? Yes, same, yeah. Me too. Oh my God, the wedding food was so awesome.
Had 3 bowls of
Ma'am,
ice
I
cream in
gained
the
2 kilos.
wedding. That too with extra chocolate and
Oh my
sprinkles.
God.
And then I
I
had
gained
cake
2
on
kilos,
top.
ma'am. The wedding and everything.
So it's just that we
Ma'am.
eat it. Omar, what about you? How many strawberries you ate? Say hard. What about you?
Ma'am, I ate ramen.
I strawberry cream.
Strawberries and creams. I'm sure you must have gained weight. Zara, what about you,
And
Beta?
in the holidays, we invited our cousins over, and then we went to some
Ma'am, I
gardens
got ill this
there.
ma'am because
Right. Okay. Now, most important question. Listen very carefully. Very, very important question. How many of y'all studied in the holidays? Huh? 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 I don't this. Aisha, Kazi, Zainab, and Hamza. Remove them. Remove them from the class. How can you study in the holidays? How can you
I'm
study
very-
during holidays?
Ma'am, you know why I studied in the
I
holidays?
didn't
Because-
even took.
Because we went to Dubai, right? And my mom was like, "We're not going anywhere for 6 months, and you better study, otherwise, it's not gonna be very good."
Oh
for you."
no!
And
Oh
I
no!
got
Oh
really
no! Oh no!
Ma'am, I didn't even think about
Because,
that.
and I didn't go anywhere in the whole holidays. I was so bored.
I don't.
You know what should you do? You just go in your room and tell them studying, and then take the phone
Hey,
and start
hey,
when
Joanna,
my mama
shush,
comes.
shush. I'm gonna mute her. Shush, shush, shush. Don't do that. No
Ma'am,
lying to
you know,
your
in the-
parents.
Ma'am, in the nights, I sleep in another room. So when everybody is asleep, I take the tab and watch something for late night.
Aisha, Kazi, this is getting
Ma'am,
recorded.
I also do that sometimes.
Ma'am,
how many of y'all
I
do
don't do
this?
that.
How many of
But
y'all do
because I
this?
don't have. Because
Ma'am, I do
just
not.
read my book. I
Ma'am,
just
if
read
I
my
wake
book
up
while I'm
in
not
5 o'clock, no, ma'am, the
Ma'am,
problem with me is if I wake up in 5 o'clock, no, I cannot just get go to sleep ever again. So all I do is just sit down and watch TV.
Okay. You do that. Hamdan, share the pictures. We would like to see you. I'll put you on spot.
I don't have any
Also that
pictures.
there
though.
were exams in my holiday.
You should forget there were exams during holidays. Holidays is just for fun, guys. Okay. Right. So, Umar, do you do that?
Ma'am,
Mama-
my mom thinks that holidays are for studying.
Who thinks that?
My
I'll-
mom.
I'll speak to your mom as well.
Ma'am,
Hamdan,
I studied
Hamdan, could you
also,
share your
and
pictures
I
from the?
played also. Ma'am, you know my most favorite thing in this the holidays was to go out and roam in the building with friends.
Wow. I'm inspired by all of your ideas.
Ma'am,
Okay?
I hate doing that.
You know what I do when all my children go to sleep?
Around like this only.
Hamdan, where are you? I can't see the pictures, Hamdan. You know what I do when all my children go to sleep? Right? What I do? I eat chocolates, and especially I eat Dia chocolates. Yeah, wait a minute. I'll just okay. Don't let your parents know about this. Otherwise, they'll start doing the same with you. I'll spotlight you, Hamdan. Go on.
See, ma'am, first these were so good parrots. Like these are called sun conures.
This is so pretty. Oh, look at your mom. Say hello to her on my behalf. Lovely, lovely. Beautiful.
And then we took this one. These
Wow.
are the macaws. These are macaws. And then there was lorikeets. It was so much fun.
You're holding them
And
as if you're holding a sack of flowers. Yeah, lovely, lovely.
And then you got
Excellent.
these. It was so fun. It was like hundreds of parrots sitting on you.
Wow. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Now, all right. Coming to we all had fun. We all had great time. Okay. Omar, who's that with you? Oh, that's your mama. Hello, Dr. Mumtaz. How are you? So great to see you.
I also want to study.
Oh, yes, absolutely. We are having a fun session right now. You know, I gave them
I
brilliant
know.
ideas.
Because I was studying.
Right? So now when you go off to sleep, you know what Umar is going to do because his friends have given ideas, right? Take a tab and watch any games or play any games or watch any videos, right? Okay. So now coming to, we
My
had
mom
fun
would
during holidays.
beat me up if I did that.
Zainab, your mom
My
wouldn't
mom would
beat
just
you up.
throw
Okay,
me
I've
out of the
met
house for
Asma.
5 days.
I've met Asma. She wouldn't do that, right? Okay. Right, so we had
Ma'am, she
lots of
talks
fun.
really nice, but she is not so nice.
Who?
She keeps scolding me. My mom.
Hamza, because she loves you. That's the reason, you know.
Yeah.
She doesn't want you to grow up to be an evil or a bad person. That's the reason, right? Okay. Anyways, so enough about,
Ma'am,
gossiping and backbiting about your parents, all right? Remember, parents love you the most, okay? And they want the best for you, right? So whenever they are actually disciplining you, it's not because they have any kind of hostility or they don't hate you. It's because they love you so much. Trust me. You know, that's the reason they do that. Okay. So,
ma'am, I know. It has
Yeah,
happened to me. My mother loved me too much. That's why
I-
now
In the
I'm not so good
holiday,
at
they
studying.
told that if you want to study, then study. If you don't, then just do whatever you want.
yeah, I know, chill out, right? Holidays are for, recharging yourself. So I hope you're back, you're full of energy and you're doing fantastic.
Ma'am, I'm not.
Hamza, you're not. I'll make you do exercises right now then, Hamza.
The thank you,
Push-ups,
ma'am. Bye.
push-ups, push-ups.
300 push-ups.
300,
Okay,
yes,
that-
Umar, 300 push-ups. So you know how is counting?
Ma'am, that is so
100,
easy.
200, 300. In 3 push-ups,
Yeah.
300 will be done. Okay.
Ma'am,
Because
you know,
zero does not have value.
I mean, when our cousins came, so like at the night when everybody was asleep, so
Ma'am,
in
I
the
can
night
do
till 2
10
o'clock,
push-ups easily.
we spent playing games and then we slept.
I can
And
do
then
30
after that,
push-ups.
he woke at 5:30 because his class was there. So it was on Friday. But then after that, we didn't sleep because we went down and then we were on the cycle. And then after that, when we came home, we had breakfast and then we did not sleep in the night. Like we slept very early because
Oh,
during the time.
fantastic, Aisha. Fantastic. Okay. Oi, Mustafa, go and attend your session. What are you doing over here? Yep. Okay. Umar, no, I told you, I promise the session is going to be interesting. Please do not remove your sword and let me look at your handsome face, Umar. Yeah, see, Sara Khatri is doing push-ups. Well done, Sara Khatri. Excellent, excellent. Okay. Now, guys.
Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am,
Do you have your-
everybody did the push-ups for me. Thank you, everybody.
Then the 300 push-ups will be done. Okay, now coming back to you all had your holidays, okay? Can you describe your holiday in one word? Okay, I'm putting the whiteboard on. You all can start writing. No, you can start writing on it. One word. Can you describe your holiday in one word? Whether you were at home, whether you were outside, it doesn't matter. I put the whiteboard on. Sarah, small. We have to be courteous, okay, with others. So we need to give them space as well. Okay, we need to give them space as well. Yeah. So make sure that you type it small. Come on, everybody. Yeah. Wow. Okay, now you have to remember the words that you have written, guys, okay? Remember the words that you've written. Okay? So the format goes that you...
My word is so big.
Yeah, that's the reason I said you have to remember them. Okay? First is I want you to describe your holiday in one word.
Ma'am, I describe my holiday. Boring and good. B-O, boring. G-O-D, odd.
Wow, so that's a
First two letters
combination.
are of, yeah, first two letters
Okay.
are of boring. Second two letters are of
Excellent.
good.
Excellent, guys. Excellent. Okay. Now I want you to give me 2 adjectives about your holiday.
2 adjectives about your holiday.
Yeah. So do not type in chat, just put it on the whiteboard only. Give me any 2 adjectives about your holiday. Go on, type it over there. I hope everybody can annotate on the screen.
Ma'am, in the word only. Or
Yeah. 2, just word.
Ma'am,
Don't,
adjective. Ma'am, we have to
Sarah, dear, when somebody is talking, just hold on, let them finish and then you ask, okay? Omar, do not write the entire sentence. I want you to write only words, okay? Yes, Sarah, go on, ask me, dear.
Ma'am, we have two adjectives. We have to write.
Yeah, two adjectives. I'm putting it in the chat also in case if you get confused, you can check your chat. Two adjectives. After that, you will write 3 action words about your holidays.
Ma'am, all these lines are mine. Nobody can draw in it. I
Hamza,
need a lot of
Hamza, I'll
space.
put you now
My
in a
text is-
breakout room and then you can have all the lines, okay? 3 action
Yes, ma'am.
words about your holidays. Hamza, no lines, please, dear. Be courteous and polite for your friends. Why isn't the screen filling up? Come on, everybody, start filling up on the screen. Okay, Sarah is writing. Well done, Sarah. Umar is writing. Excellent. Aisha Kazi, great going. Do not use same words. If you use super earlier, again, you will not use super. Okay, action words starting. Excellent, Sarah Khatri. Excellent, dear. Okay. Umar is incredible. Action word would be 3. I want 3 action words for your
Ma'am, can scary be an action word? Because
Yes.
when we did paragliding, we were scared.
Yes. Paragliding and scary. You could use that as your paragliding would be your action and scary would be your adjective. Yes, Aisha Aga, go on. Hafsa, a bit smaller, Hafsa, be courteous and write it in small font, dear. We need to give space to everybody.
Ma'am, here in my thing. Wait, I'll just
Yes,
mark it.
happy and fun, Hamza. I saw that. Excellent. Okay, wow, Aisha Aga. Some different words I can see now. Sad. Okay, Joveria, scary. Great. Okay. And now, remember the first word you had written, the first word that you had written to describe the holiday? I want you to find the synonyms for it. Ha. In your face for everybody who's written, really different words. Ha. Now is the fun part.
This is my own word. There is no
Yeah, so now you find the synonyms for it, Aman. It's okay. You can
This is
break
a
the
synonym
words.
of fun.
Okay, so Uma, you can write super.
My synonym for fun is excellent.
No, you have to find synonym for fun. Give me. You can Google it,
Oh,
search it, and give me.
superb actually. Superb.
Right.
My word was superb. So
You
the
write it on the screen.
synonym.
Write it on the whiteboard. Go on. Saihan, Hamza, Hamdan. I want everybody. Go on. Zahra, Hafsa. Umar, in your case, you need to break the word. It's like super. Then you give me a synonym for super, incredible, and fantastic. So you have 3 different words. Give me synonym for all 3 words.
I'm done.
Well done.
Ma'am, here this is mine.
Yeah.
Where
No, don't
the
worry. I
lines
can
are-
see it. I can get it. Because I've got the power and I am Iron Man. Okay. Because I'm the host here. So whenever I move my cursor around what is written, I come to know.
Ma'am, is this good?
See, Hafsa has done this right now. Amazing. Yes, it is good. It is fantastic. Mundane. Okay, my goodness, what heavy words you guys are using. I'm so impressed. Satisfactory. Wow, nice. Okay, so Hamza is drawing stars as well. Okay, you can decorate it. No
Ma'am,
worries.
what is first word synonym?
The first word, that you had written to describe your holiday. What is synonym of that?
Good
And
synonym.
there's some words overlapping, like this
Ma'am, good synonym is nice.
experiment.
Yeah. Good synonym is nice. Okay, well done, guys. Okay. I'm glad you've written all this. Okay, now what is something that you see in this? Come on, guys, tell me. Over here, some of the words are very repetitive.
Fun.
Yeah, fun. What else? Good. Right. So now I want you all to improve your vocabulary. Okay. When I say improve your vocabulary, that means I want that when next time I ask you, okay, how was your holiday? Fun. Instead of fun, give me a synonym of it. Instead of good, give me a synonym of it. Okay. So we will definitely build up a vocabulary also. Yes, Hamza, I love you too, my dear beta. Okay, we can stop with the hearts and the stars. Okay. Yeah, go on. Everybody, now I give you time to annotate. Only on one condition, that you are going to build up your vocabulary. Right? You are going to do that. Okay, Sarah Khatri is drawing circles. I give you 1 minute to annotate the screen. The time starts now. You can, no, you can't do that. You can't do that. Please undo whatever was done right now. Thank you so much. I want you all to annotate, make it attractive. Hamdan is just putting question marks. Right? That's the best about being best part about being a student. Ask questions. Wow. 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 By the way, this is getting recorded, and if your parents watch this, they'll be wondering, "Ye kya padhai ho rahi hai class mein?" Yeah. Right? They'll say, please, your teacher ko hata do. Ye kya padhai?
Then we will tell them that this is arts class.
True. Oh my goodness. Okay. I've got so many of flowers. What? Why should I be the only one to be left out? Why would I be the only one to be left out? Okay, right. I'd rather show this to your Aparna ma'am and see, tell them how creative you guys are. Yeah? Okay, right. Time up, guys. Time up. Thank you so much. Loved your vocabulary and your arts. You are very creative. Time out. Time out. Time out. Well done. Whatever you did was like so good. It should be hung in the art gallery out there. Okay. Now, I want you all to listen to what I'm going to say right now. Okay, this is related to your assessment that is going to come. See, we had our holidays, okay, and some of them did go out for your holiday, right? Some of them were at home. It's perfectly fine, right? Now, when we go out for a holiday, okay, what happens is like there are times we ask a travel agent, okay, a travel agent, right? You know who a travel agent is? Anybody?
Yes, ma'am.
The person who guides us to not travel.
Perfect. What else? Come on. Who do you think is a travel agent?
I'm a travel agent. Like if we are going to some a place where there are lots of monuments, so that agent will tell all the information about monuments and when was it built and who built it.
Fantastic. Aisha Ghazi, that's a travel guide. He's your guide. So when you go to one particular place, like supposedly you come to Gateway of India. So everything about Gateway of India, is the person, the guide out there will tell you. Okay, so there's a difference between a
A
travel agent.
person engaged in selling and arranging transportation, accommodation, tours, or trips for travelers.
Wow, Omar, that was a nice Google search. Excellent. Okay, so travel agent is a person who is responsible, okay, for providing you transport. Supposingly, right, I'm staying in where? I'm in Mumbai. We all are in Mumbai, okay, and we want to go to Turkey. Yay! Do we all want to go to Turkey? Yes. Okay, so now I'll approach a travel agent, okay, and I'm going to tell him, look, it's me and my Mendeleev class. Okay, we are 13 of us. We want to go for a holiday to Turkey, right? So the travel agent is the one who will arrange for my transportation. That is my tickets. Okay, he'll make sure that, you know, I get the tickets to, of course, I'll pay him. Nothing is free. Okay, to Turkey. All right. Then he'll tell me, look, you need to go to Istanbul. Okay, you need to go to Istanbul is the capital. You need to go to Cappadocia. There is hot air balloon. Okay, and you can go to Antalya where there's a beach. Over there, my hotels, he's going to book my hotels. Over there, wherever I want to go for sightseeing, he is going to book it for me. He is the one who is going to do that for me. Got it? So this is what travel agent is. Sir, do you get it?
Ma'am, travel agent is like a servant, but only for a few time.
No, he isn't a servant. He's a service provider, Hamza. Okay.
Yeah,
Saad,
ma'am, just like
Saad, are you getting it, Saad? 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 Saad is lost. Okay. So what happens is a travel agent, okay, he has to make sure that, you know, he tells you about the place you want to go to. He gives you the details. He gives you the idea what are the good places out there for sightseeing, where you can go, what you could like over there, and what is the best time to go over there, the hotels and everything. Okay. Now, why am I talking about a travel agent? Right. Okay. Thank you so much, Umar, for putting it over there. Okay. Because for your assessment, your public speaking assessment, which is going to be in after about 10 days, you are going to be a travel agent. Okay, not a travel guide, but a travel agent. Okay, remember we made a passport, all of us. Do you remember? Yes. Okay. In that passport, you had your favorite destination, right? You had your favorite destination. So now, as a travel agent,
Ma'am, can I change my favorite destination in the
yes,
passport?
Sarah, let me complete. Then you ask questions. Yes, definitely you can change it, but just hold on. Okay. Now, as a travel agent, you will have to try and sell that particular destination to me. That means, imagine I'm a customer. Okay, I will come to you. So, Juveria, which destination you selected, dear?
Japan.
Sorry?
Japan.
Okay,
First
Japan.
it was Germany actually. Celsius, Germany.
Okay, Japan. Fantastic. Saihan, which destination you selected?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Saihan, which destination you selected? I can't hear you. A bit louder, please.
England.
England. Okay. So now I will come. Okay, right? And
Ma'am, can I tell?
Juveria, no, Sarah, just hold on, dear. Hold on. Okay. Now Juveria will tell me that Japan. This is the country over here. These are the beautiful places that you could go to. Okay. This is the best part about Japan. This is the lovely food that you can eat over there. Okay. Right. Saihan
Ma'am,
will
the loveliest food is ramen.
Saihan will tell me about England. Okay, look, ma'am, England is beautiful over here. It's all about Queen, even the Queen's, palace is there. And then you have the London Eye, and these all places are there. So you have to sell that country to me as a travel agent. Got it?
Ma'am, we don't have enough money to buy the whole country ourselves. How will you sell it to you?
Oh, no, not that way.
like,
Hamza, a travel agent, what he's going to do, he's going to sell as in not the country. You have to tell me that, ma'am, buy this, go to the country which I'm telling you, it is better. And whoever gives the presentation well, they get full marks in it. Okay. When I say country, that means what does the travel agent do? The travel agent will say, oh, go to England. It is beautiful. The greenery, the history of England is lovely. The structures in England are lovely. You have Big Ben over there. And then you have the palaces over there. You have London Eye over there. Also, you have countryside, which is so beautiful out there. You have mountains. You have lakeside over there. You can have fish and chips and barbecue. This is the way you have to tell the special places about that country of yours. Okay, so that is what you have to do as a travel agent. Supposingly I am a customer, I am a client, I will come to you. I'll say, look, I want to go for a holiday. So Saihan will say, ma'am, look, this is England. England has these places. This is the best time to go to, and fantastic. You will enjoy over here, enjoy over there. These are the places out here. This is the food you can eat. This is the beautiful time to go. That is the way Saihan is going to say, ma'am, you have to go to England. You have to convince me to select the country, your country. You have to convince me to select your country. Okay? Right. Any questions about this?
ma'am, we have to make a PPT for that.
Yeah, just a minute, Aisha, just a minute. Yes, Juveria?
I had the same question. Do we have to make a PPT or what?
Yes, you can make a PPT, guys. You can make a PPT, okay? Listen, in your PPT, the first slide of your PPT will be this. Okay, everybody just pay attention to this. I'll just let you know what, now you don't annotate. I'll be the one who will be annotating. Okay, so your first slide of the PPT will be the name of destination. Okay, it's capital. Okay, the currency. I want you all to make a note of this, please. The currency. What is the currency that is used over there? Okay.
Ma'am, so in first slide, this all will include.
Yeah.
Can we do a screenshot?
Yeah, you can do a screenshot. So let me finish writing the temperature out there. And how much time will it take? See, mostly it will. Yeah.
Ma'am, we have to put the destination.
I imagine how much time will it take to reach over there?
Yeah, travel
From
time. Let's
India?
suppose if you're going by a flight, okay? If you're going by a flight. So supposingly from here to Istanbul, it takes 7 hours. So you will write 7 hours by flight. Okay, you also have to tell me the flight name. Which one I would take, okay? Yes, go on, Omar.
If you're going by the car, then
yeah, if you are going by the car, then you will have to tell me the travel time of the car, okay? And then you, instead of flight name, you will write the vehicle name. Whether you're giving me a bus or you're giving me a...
ma'am, we have to write the destination in this, no?
Yeah, in everything you will be writing the destination.
Our passport.
Yeah.
What we made our passport.
Okay, in the destination over here, it's your favorite destination that you have selected. Okay, the favorite.
Ma'am, I know my favorite.
It could be the passport one, no?
Yeah, on the passport one. On the passport one, whichever favorite destination, your own favorite destination, not your friends, you have selected, you have to write that, okay? So you will have, suppose for me, I'm just giving an example, okay? For me, it's Turkey.
Ma'am, we can take any destination.
No, which you have selected in your passport. It is 8 degrees out there. Flight that I will be taking is Turkish Airlines.
Ma'am, you will put this in the YouTube channel, right?
Travel time would be, no, I will put it in the Google Classroom, but you need to understand this over here, okay? 7
Yes, ma'am, but
hours.
will you put this class in the
No, this you will need to copy it over here. Okay, this all you need to copy, you could take. This is your slide 1, okay? Now in slide 2, just let me finish, then you can take a screenshot or you could copy it, okay? Slide 2, you will tell me about the
Can we do
Ma'am,
it on
this is for
Google?
the exam, right?
no, this is not Google Form. This would be your PowerPoint.
Ma'am,
Okay.
is this for the exam or
Yeah,
is
this
it
is
an
for the
assignment?
exams. This is for the exams.
Okay.
Okay. So
Ma'am,
what are
can
the
we do it
sightseeing?
on Google Slide?
No, you will have to do it on. Yeah, okay, you do it on Google site, tourist places. Okay.
Okay,
So
ma'am.
your slide
I'm
2
gonna
would
do
be
it.
sightseeing and tourist places. Okay. And it could be more slides. It's up to you. So maybe you want to show 2 or 3. It's up to you. Okay. Okay.
Can I use a PPT for doing
Yeah, I would prefer a PPT, PowerPoint presentation. Okay, and your next slide would be then about the food. Okay.
Everywhere the main thing is food.
And how many days are you going to tell me? So supposing you say, ma'am, go to Turkey for 7 days, it would be fun. Okay, now when I say sightseeing, okay, so you will have to combine in the city. If you're taking more than one city, you cannot just say, okay, one day you're showing them something in Mumbai. Suppose I'm talking about India. One day you're showing something in Mumbai, but the other day you're showing in Delhi. Then again, you're bringing them to Mumbai. No. How will you do? Day 1, okay, day 1, you will write day 1, 2, 3, I'm in Istanbul. Okay, and all the places over here, Sultan Ahmed, then Blue Mosque,
Ma'am, what
Okay.
will be the title of it?
Bosphorus cruise. Okay, this all I'm going to do in Istanbul from day 1 to day 3. So that means when I come from India, the first day I'm coming to Istanbul, and these 3 places I'm going to do sightseeing. Okay. After that, from day 4 to day
Ma'am,
6.
what will be the
I'll
title?
come to you, Hafsa. Just a minute, dear. Like I said, let me complete, then I'll come to you. Okay. Like day 4 to day 6, I would be going to Cappadocia. Okay. Now in Cappadocia, I'll do hot air balloon. I can do, okay, why are my spellings going wrong? Okay, I can do hot air balloon. I can go in for the cave. Okay, trekking. All right. And the last day I could go for the orchids. That's it. Because it's only 7 days, and the next day, day 7. Yeah, just a minute. Let me come.
Departure.
Flight back to India. All right. Are we going okay, guys? Do you get it? Any confusion? Please ask me. You can see all the slides, hopefully.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Now I'm being asked the topic. The topic will be, you will have to give it a name, your travel agency name. Okay, any name. So maybe you would say Hafsa, the lioness, probably, you know, travel agency name. So give it any kind of travel agency name you want. It's up to you.
Ma'am, what will be the title? I wanna know.
Sorry,
What will be the title of this?
that's what I'm saying. The travel agency name. Whatever the title will be, you have to select a travel agency name. It could be Hafsa Travel Agent. Okay.
Any name.
Any name, it's up to you.
Okay.
Your choice. Okay, this is going to be again your choice. So this is your
the
title.
whole assignment.
Sorry,
Ma'am,
Beta.
when do we have to submit this?
You know, the thing is, okay, one more thing. This would be only, I'll be giving each one of you, say 5 minutes only, not more than that. Only 5 minutes.
But for presenting,
For presentation, yeah, for presentation. Not more than that. Okay,
When
just
do
5
we
minutes.
have to present it?
It will be in the week of 17th. So we do have time. Next Thursday, we will see whatever y'all have done. Y'all prepare something and get it next Thursday. We will go through it. In case if there's any difficulty, y'all can ask me next Thursday. Okay? Any confusion, guys? Remember, y'all are travel agents. Okay, you have to, the title will be the agency name. That is your choice. You have to select. Okay, I will be your customer. Okay, and I will come to you and I will say, look, I want to go for a holiday with my Manjali, but I don't know where I need to go. Each one.
all 12 places.
Yes, Umar, why not? Your mama is going to sponsor me and I am going to go there. Inshallah, why not? Yeah. No, definitely think big. We will do that. We'll go to all the 12 places, right? Okay. So here, what will happen? First thing, what you are going to learn when in this assignment. First thing is you're going to learn how to do research. You're going to learn about a new country. You're going to learn about the different airlines that will take you to that country. What would the distance be? Okay, you will definitely learn about the currency, the temperature of that particular country. Okay, apart from that, what are the different sightseeing tourist places in that country? And lastly, you are going to learn how to sell something. You're a salesman, saleswoman, salesperson. You have to tell me, no, ma'am, this is the best thing. This is what you're going to get. This is so beautiful out here. The Blue Mosque is lovely. It is self-sustained. It does not require any kind of electricity from outside. And, you know, everything is built. So you have to sell that particular place to me. Whoever does the best will select 1, 2, 3, and it will be peer rating also. Okay? Yes?
Like the real travel agents, they really go there and check, or they search it from Google.
They do it from Google, Umar. They do it from Google. Okay. So what they do is they are trained to do that. So what they do, they'll search it from Google. Okay. And accordingly, they fill the information and let you know. All right. So any questions? Y'all can take a screenshot of this. All of you. You can make a note of this. We will discuss this further in our next session. So do not worry. It is very simple. All you have to do is gather information. Okay. The delivery part, how you're going to deliver, we'll do it next week. Okay. Has everybody taken a screenshot? Do I stop the screen share?
1 minute.
Okay, just do it and then I'll stop the screen share. Saad is not there in the session. That means Saad was busy watching something else because I put him in the waiting room and he doesn't even realize he's in the waiting room. All right, are we done?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh yes, sorry, it's not Istanbul, it's Ankara, the capital of. I'm so sorry, everybody. Thank you, Zara. Guys, take a screenshot again, please. Thank you, Zara, so much. Take the new screenshot with the. I wonder how I missed out on that. Okay, just a minute. Yeah, you all can take the screenshot, everybody. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, are we done, all of us? Do I end it now? Stop share?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. All right, then next Thursday, we'll discuss this further, okay? And we'll take it further, how we're going about it. Till then, take care, have fun, enjoy yourself. Love you all mentally. And yes, we will go to all the destinations, inshallah. Bye-bye, love you all. Have fun.